Hi, so today I'll be explaining the Euler's method by explaining with a hand draw diagram, Excel, and finding its approximation error. So for this part, we will have to draw the graph first, and then of course we have to draw our solution, which is the line of our equation that's given. So for example, let's say y bracket 0 bracket equals to 1, so which means that our y value is 1 but our x is 0. So I'll draw a curve, and then if we want to find, let's say, our next point, we draw a tangent on the first point so that we can mark out any second point, and then we get the coordinates, and then we of course put into the formula. So right now we're going to break down the formula. We have yn equals to yn minus 1 plus hf bracket xn comma yn bracket. So what this is that yn is the approximate y value at the next step size. Then yn minus 1 is the y value at the previous step size. This one is the rate of change of the function at the current step size, also commonly known as our dy dx. So for this part, we're going to solve this question inside Excel. So our y equals to 1 and x equals to 0, and dy dx is x over y square. First, we're gonna input our x and y value, which is 0 and 1, as like we said in the graph, which is our starting point, and then followed by our n, which is the how many times needed to get our x to a value of 1. For our first step, which is our step size is 0.1, so 0.1, we're gonna take the previous plus 0.1, then we can get 0.1. And then for this side, it's much more complex because we're gonna take the previous value of y plus our step size times the x over y square, which is 0.1, and our y square, which is 1, which from our previous one. So in the formula, the yn equals to yn minus 1 plus hf bracket x comma y, which is our main formula. And then from there, we can just drag down this small column and it will just auto do. And yeah, so for our x equals to 1, our approximate value will be 1.39506, and here's a graph to show. So right now we're going to find the approximation error from the Euler method by using a general solution, which is solving it by calculation. So this is our question given, and then we're going to integrate this so that we can find our c values. Integrate, then get this, find our c, then sub in our y equals to 1, x equals to 0, then we get our c, which is 1/3. Then, so this is our general solution. Then next we have to times 3 everything so that we can make y have no denominator, and after that we're going to cube root everything to get our particular solution. And then from there, by using our x equals to 1, we're going to input inside our particular solution, and then after that I took the Euler's method minus particular solution and we got 0.03786. Yeah. Thanks for watching.